Well, I got it welded up and hard-faced. Hard-faced all I can, seeing how I ran out of rod. Hard-faced over the weld, I hit the hell out of. And technically, the crack really only comes down to this seam here. It's down here. But I welded all the rest of it just to add some weld. You can see right over, where are we? Right over there where a dip was. So that's where I picked up the weld. And I burned up my last rods. But the weld's hard face, that crack's hard face. Gotta put a little more life in her. Yes, it will. Ugh. Just another day in the yard. He's up there working on his road. They keep this yard pretty good down here. Not like Asheville, man. Asheville's a friggin' mud pit. I mean, damn. He dressed all the roads and everything through here. I mean, they're not really roads. There'll be mulch piles one time, but he keeps it straight. I'll give him that. All the way over yonder. I guess I got to get all I can get done today. This crew doesn't work on Fridays. They're probably doing 412s. So everything I don't finish today, I'll come back up next Friday and do. Which, the rim of this tub, this seam that's starting to appear right there, can use a lap pretty much all the way around it. But I'm going to go outside and start working on that seam. Stay tuned.